What's up guys, it's Neko and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the A801 pen tablet from Artisul Tablet Company. Now I've been seeing a bunch of artists reviewing a bunch of art pen displays, pen tablet displays, screen displays here on the art community on YouTube, and I really want to join in, so I was lucky enough to have Artisul reach out to me to review this pen tablet for you guys today. So this is what the video is going to be about today. This is not my first time using a pen tablet display. I've actually always used pen tablet displays from Wacom, and the one that I had is in the trash now. I had it for like 7 to 8 years, so it was pretty much time for me to get a new pen tablet display. I usually use my pen tablet displays for like thumbnails, sketches, just like small things I need to do on like Photoshop or Paint Tool Side or Clip. So basically, it was basically a great timing for me to replace my old one. So this is the A801 version of their tablet. This is the pen. I like the pen a lot. It's really smooth. It's different from my old Wacom pen. It has a nice little grip on it, which feels really nice, and I just like it. It's a different swing for me. It also has buttons. My last pen didn't have buttons on it, and I feel like it just feels good. I'm super excited to try it out. Here's a tablet. It has all these funky lines, and it's really different to the eye. I like it. It's different. It's nice and thin. It's not too big. Yeah, it's the tablet. It also has hotkeys on the top, and yeah, I feel like the design is pretty nice. Like, it's nice and sleek, like easy to tuck in a corner or in your little drawer. It also has like other compartments you could connect to your phone or your iPad, which I think is pretty cool. So if that fancies you guys, if you don't have a computer or like a desktop or a laptop, I think that would be kind of cool, honestly. So here's some extra little grippy pieces for the pen, and that's always important. And I just want to show you guys right here like how long the cord is, because I feel like that's super important when you have like these type of tablets, because you need like space to connect it to your whatever you're using. So here is like the drivers and stuff. So it's pretty really simple to set up too. Like, all you have to do is just go on the website, go to the drivers, pick if you have Windows or Mac. This is a Mac computer right here, so that's hence why I have that. But obviously it works for Mac and Windows, which is good, because you know how Mac could be a little bit elitist sometimes. Those who have Mac, Apple products understand what I'm talking about. Like, sometimes like certain stuff just don't work for Mac, like, or you have to do like go to the end of the world just to like install certain things. But for this Artisul tablet, if you're looking to getting their pen tablet display, it's very easy to set up. So you just go, you download, you get the drivers, and this is what the drivers will pop up as. You get, so you could fix your hotkeys, you could fix your pen pressure, you can do all your shortcuts that you use. I am not really like a shortcut person. Like, I don't know, I'm one of those artists who don't use shortcuts a lot. I've been like slowly getting into shortcuts. I usually just like press the like laptop or wherever I'm using for my shortcuts. But I usually use Control Z a lot, eraser, like grab tools. So like now I've been like using it more. But like if you're a hotkeys person and you like, your hotkeys on your pen tablet display, this is a good one. You get 4 different keys. And then I'm showing you guys like, all the extra settings you can do with your pen, which is pretty cool. Like, standard stuff. It's pretty similar to Wacom. I felt really good, setting it up. I didn't feel like I was, having to be a genius to set this up. But if you're a Mac user, you have to go into your preferences and you have to accept everything. If you're Windows, it should be 2 seconds. Yeah, so this is the display. So you can see, like, you can also configure your switches on the pen as well. But yeah, thank you so much, Artisul, for sending this tablet over. I really actually needed a new pen tablet display for like the little mundane tasks that I do digitally. The program I'm drawing in right now is Clip Studio, so I just decided to throw in a little time lapse of me drawing my character Artemis in the background while I talk to you guys a little bit before I end off the video. But yeah, I hope you guys all been doing well, and if you need like a reasonable priced pen tablet display, I recommend. Like, right now I'm drawing this picture with the tablet, and it doesn't fail. I feel like it's simple. It's to the point. It's a pen tablet display, and it's pretty good. It's affordable and easy to set up. So what more could you ask for? And it's compatible with Mac. If you're a Mac user, and Windows, Windows is easy to set up. Everything's, a click download done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the little review portion of the video. And here's just like some digital art. I haven't uploaded a video where I actually put digital art in the background in a long time. So it's kind of refreshing to be voiceovering this and watching it back like, oh, it's been a while since I've done like a digital speed paint type video thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe, wearing your masks, and trying to not catch, Miss C, because honestly, it's been rough out here. So I hope you guys are staying safe in these hard times and annoying times. And yeah, just please stay safe, and let me know in the comment section below like how you guys are doing. Are you taking care of your mental health, taking care of yourself, drinking your water, staying inside as much as possible if you can. I work pretty much 4 or 5 times a week, so I always have to be outside, unfortunately. But yeah, we're doing our best. But I just thought I'd throw that in there since that's something that's wearing on my mind as of lately, and I just hope you guys are doing good. But yeah, as always, if you guys could connect with me on my Instagram at Partiineko, or even on here, you could just send me a little comment and we could just talk back and forth in the comments and stuff like that. I'm pretty accessible, so on Instagram and everything like that. If you guys ever just want to chat or just want to check in or just need a friend, I'm here. And also, Happy New Year. Happy freaking New Year. I hope you guys have a safe New Year. I hope you get to the goals and the things that you want this year. And I just hope that you don't put too much pressure on yourself, because that's one of my goals. Like, I didn't really make any like crazy 2022 goals, because I'm just riding a wave, honestly. Like, I have my art goals that I have, obviously, but everything else I'm just like whatever. I care, but I just don't want to care too much and take things too seriously, because with the pandemic and just like life is just bleh. But I do have my small goals that I have, like attainable goals that I have for the YouTube channel, my art career, and I will be starting my art program, art classes this spring. So I'm excited to take you guys on the journey of that. I will be sharing my experience of like getting my art bachelor's degree, and the kind of classes that I'm taking, and what it's like to get a degree in art, basically, because I finally decided to go for it. I think I mentioned in my last video that I would be going to art school, doing art program, and yeah, I decided to show you guys so that if you too want to like take that path or feel discouraged or anything like that, I don't know, just let you guys know. So there'll be a lot of like art studio vlogs coming. I know that's a part of my channel, and I haven't been posting those a lot because I just be really busy with like work. But I am gonna like let you guys in on that part of my life, because I feel like that's important, and that's the type of information that I would like to give out. So yeah, a lot of informational videos coming soon, a lot of art projects and stuff like that. I still have to plan my year, like what I'm aiming for, but it's still pretty much the same goal to like post videos, share my art, and build my art community, and make my way into becoming a full-time artist, and just creating just as for my living. So nothing much has changed. Just keep grinding. It's just another year. I just feel like I'm in 2021 remastered, and I'm just like, well, next another year in the pandemic. Let's see what we can do this time around. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys can relate to that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the illustration. If you guys want to check out the Artisul tablet, you can. And yeah, let me know other videos you want to see me do in the comment section below. And I guess I'll catch you guys in my next video. If you like the video, like, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!